ever struggled with expensive product photography, I've got some game-changing news for you. What if I told you that you could generate high-quality, professional product photos in minutes without hiring a photographer? Thanks to AI, it's now possible, and it feels almost illegal to know about this. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create stunning product shots using AI in less than 10 minutes. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share some secret tips to get the best results. Let's dive in. First, head over to UseFlux AI and create an account. Once you're in, navigate to the Train Models section and select Product Shots. This AI-powered tool will allow you to create high-quality product images with just a few clicks. No need for expensive studio setups or complex editing. Now it's time to train your AI model. Simply, give your model a name. Select Product as the category. Upload 5 to 15 images of the product you want to enhance. Make sure your images showcase different angles and lighting conditions for the best AI-generated results. Once your images are uploaded, click Train Model and wait a few minutes while the AI does its magic. After the training is complete, you can start generating incredible product shots. The AI will create studio-quality images without the need for a professional setup. Just enter your desired prompt, choose a background, and let AI do the rest. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've got high-end product photography without spending $100 on a photographer. This AI tool is a game changer for businesses, e-commerce sellers, and content creators. So if you haven't tried UseFlux AI yet, now's the perfect time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more mind-blowing AI tools and tutorials. Also, drop a comment below if you found this useful or have any questions. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay creative and keep leveraging AI.